everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mridula V. Amarnath here. So how has your journey of pregnancy been so far? I hope I have helped you, and in case even if you still have any queries, do let me know in the comment box and I shall certainly reply to it. Well, during your pregnancy, especially if you're towards the third trimester, you might have noticed that there's a lot of changes have happened in your body, right? Certainly it was not the same it was pre-pregnancy state. And one such difference that you would have noticed is your breasts. Your breasts would have certainly enlarged. Okay, there would be a little discoloration in your breasts, right? But then another thing is some women would also notice a little leaking of milk from their breasts. So is it common or not? What do you think? Stay tuned to know more. Well, there is a lot of hormonal changes that take place during this phase of pregnancy. So it is absolutely normal to have leakage of this clear fluid, what we call as colostrum or even breast milk during this phase of yours. That is during the third trimester. It is absolutely normal. Probably you might have also noticed that there is increased leakage of this milk more so after probably if you had sex or after you've had a warm shower. Okay, so let me tell you one thing. Do not try to further squeeze your breast and increase the milk production, because otherwise it can also cause a premature contraction of your uterus, which is not safe for you at this particular period of time. So always make sure that you wear, in case if you have such sort of an issue, make sure that you wear tight fitting and supportive bras. That is extremely important, because it is not good that you have premature contractions, because then it can also affect the fetus and then you might have to go for an emergency labor. Right, so make sure that if you notice such kind of leakage of milk, it's normal, but then you will have to support your breasts and take adequate precautionary measures. Some other women, in fact most of the women, would also notice that their breasts have completely enlarged over the entire journey of their pregnancy, and they become more sensitive. Sometimes you already start feeling a fullness in your breasts. Okay, sometimes you might also feel a little bit of pain along your breasts, which is absolutely normal. You might also notice that around your nipple you might have certain raised areas, which is normal, and these are called as Montgomery tubercles. Now there might also be a blackish discoloration of your areolae, which is also absolutely fine during this phase of pregnancy. Once you start giving breast milk to your baby, and over a period of time it naturally shrinks back to its original size. But again, on the other side, if the discharge which is coming out from your breast is blood stained, or if it is foul smelling, or again if you notice some sort of a mass or a lump along your breast, then it is important that you do not neglect it and immediately go and consult your doctor, because it is important that you rule out various other possibilities before the baby is being born. Okay, so make sure you take care. Always keep your entire body very, very clean and neat, because being very neat and clean and hygienic is extremely crucial during this phase. You do not want to acquire any sort of an infection and then probably take medications for that, because again that can have an impact on your fetus. So make sure your entire body is clean and neat. Okay, so stay safe. Bye bye.